Hi guys! Today is the day. Syempre, araw to ng cousin ko na si Chean and with her longtime partner na si Jepoy. So, get ready with me kasi after ilang years, abay na ulit ang person na yan.
Yes!
Share ko lang, grabe nga pala umabay ngayon no. From dress to shoes tapos pang make-up ang paghahandaan mo talaga. At look at that. In fairness, mas pretty akas now. Charis! By the way, I'm using Skin and Soul Essentials Niacinamide Serum para sa gandang di mo inakala. 3 times pa lang kasi ako maabay eh. Kaya hindi ko na alam ang mga presyohan talaga. Kaloka. And lastly, lip cream lang, sapat na. So, I'm ready to go na. Of course, sa mga di po nakakaalam, lampas isang dekada na sila mag-partner and meron na din silang 3 kids agad. Sana all. And finally, by God's grace, ikakasal na po sila. So, I made this mini vlog para ma-witness nyo naman ng kauntian ang kaganapan sa wedding of the century ng Ilagan and the Ade. Here's my short cover of He Knows by Almira Lat. Enjoy watching!
Silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind his gown. As I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we shall forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are mine. He knows you are my power when I feel weak and sick. He knows you are my harbor, but it's just within arm's reach. He knows I see the better than we ever know ourselves. He knows that we have differences, but he puts us back in place. When the road they get rough, he knows that we can steer them back, 'cause he is there to help us clear the path. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we shall forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are
So, ayun na nga po, natapos ng aking mini vlog para sa kasal ni Jepoy and Cherry Ann. And of course, congratulations again sa aking mga pinsan na si Jepoy at si Cherry Ann. May God give you more blessings sa buhay niyong dalawa and also sa inyong mga anak. Parang ako ay natitiri-eyed kasi naisip ko pa lang na malapit na manalig ka. Kasi pupunta na ng US yung pinsan ko naman. Tsaka kasama si Clarky. So, I'm so happy for the both of you, for your family. Yan, maraming maraming nagmamahal sa inyo dito. And basta sobrang saya ko lang para sa inyo. And yun lamang po. Maraming salamat again sa mga nanood. Thank you. Bye!